You can add live video to your Keynote presentation so your audience can see your face while you present. Here's how. In your Keynote presentation on your Mac, click Media in the toolbar. Click Live Video in the menu to add it. To adjust your video, click Live Video in the Format sidebar. You can make adjustments like changing your source camera, adding a mask, or customizing the background of your video. You can choose No Fill to remove the background or change the background to a color, gradient, or an image. For this example, we'll add a mask. Now you can drag your video to move it, or change its size by dragging the handles. When you're finished positioning the video, click Play to view your presentation. Now, when you get to this slide in your presentation, your camera will activate and show live video of you. Put yourself in your presentation.